Worried about your Porsche's engine health? Schedule an inspection at Doylestown Auto Repair today. As Eastern Pennsylvania's European car specialists, we've seen how oil failures can ruin timing chains in high-performance models, like the 2019 Porsche 911 Cabriolet and Porsche 718T. Oil failures happen when contaminated, or low oil starves your engine's timing chain system. This causes catastrophic wear, stretched chains, and eventual engine failure, costing thousands in repairs. Our comprehensive oil failure inspection includes complete oil system analysis, pressure testing, and contamination checks to catch problems early. Our timing chain service goes beyond basic repairs. We perform complete timing system diagnostics, replace worn chains and guides, verify proper tension, and ensure your Porsche runs like new. Do not wait until you hear that dreaded rattle. Trust Eastern Pennsylvania's European car experts with your precision machine. Follow for real Euro repair advice.